But one thing is for sure. If you enter here, you'll never get out.
Have I not told
Yeah.
you this like 100 times? Stop sleeping on bus trips. You missed the entire crash. Look what happened.
I found a map. What the hell?
What was that?
I don't know.
Do you have a
radio?
Do you have a radio?
Huh?
Do you have a radio?
Yeah.
Keep that with you.
I have a medkit. I found a medkit from the bus. Okay, so currently we're at the burning rate. Hayden.
Yeah.
Why is there a burning bus already on the map?
Why is it 12?
Hayden.
Someone's screaming.
Hayden.
Yo.
Why is there a burning bus already on the map?
I don't know, okay? If I knew, I would have told you this already.
That's scary. Well, let's go to the safe house, which is like this way. Oh god, what is that? What the hell is that? Holy crap. Hayden, it's following you currently, and I think...
Never met. What in the
supply crate.
Jesus Christ.
I found a supply crate. Yay! Yippee.
What is this?
Yay.
Is this a shop? Oh my god! Oh!
Oh, what the hell? A radar?
Run!
Oh god!
Run!
Oh!
I need a lot of time to relax.
How is that thing still following me? Oh! Oh god! It's grabbing me! Oh god!
Weird.
Oh, I kicked this leg.
Oh my god!
Holy crap, holy crap. Holy crap, 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 holy crap. I'm running. I lost everything. Oh god.
What? Where did this thing take me?
Oh, I kicked the goddamn thing's leg. Lol. Deserved.
Who's that?
What the hell? Oh, it's a tower. What the hell?
I swear I just saw someone.
Well, I guess I'll go up here because I have literally nothing better to do.
Hello?
Right. Radar.
Oh, God.
Oh, 2 dots. 3 beep boops. 4 beep boops. Wow, that's a record. Personal record for us. I wonder how Hayden is going. Dots. Another dot. Dots. 3 dots in like one place. That's cool. Where the hell is Hayden? Maybe I should try and find him. I don't know. He's fine, I think. I mean, I'm the one who got taste, so I hope he's okay. I'm scared.
Thing sucks. It's taking me basically everywhere at this point. Back to the thing as well. It wants me to leave. That's just
I'm
awesome.
at a radio tower or a radar tower. I think it's a radar tower.
Wait,
The
what is
2
this?
beep boops. A beep boop.
Safety. Thank goodness. I got a radio. Alex, are you there? Over. Oh, crap. Great.
Oh gosh.
Alex, are you there? Over.
I'm waiting for Hayden to save us, but I don't know why. What the?
It's taking
Holy crap! Wait. Okay, well, a leap of
me
faith.
to the direction of the shop.
Oh, yay! Hay bale saved me. Ah! Oh my god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh, bear trap! Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! Oh god!
God,
Really
this
hurts.
phone's on break. The shop. I need my stuff back.
Crap!
I want my stuff back, sir.
I can run any.
Might as well take this stuff. Thanks, man.
What the hell is this shop?
Alex! Alex, I'm in!
Hayden! Hello, what is this?
This is the shop.
Why is...
I
Matt,
don't know.
wait, he stole our stuff! He stole our stuff! What the hell?
Yeah,
I guess I'll get a...
stuff. Make sure to keep... Do you have a radio by chance?
No.
Go to the safe house. There's a radio, in there.
Sure.
Wait, what? We already have a minute
What?
until it hits 11.
Hayden, follow me.
No, follow me, follow me.
Hayden-
Do you
No,
want
Hayden, follow me.
Okay,
Okay,
where are we going?
it's pretty cool, honestly.
What the heck is this?
Oh, let's just say it's a safe place. By the way, if the thing comes here, jump into that hay bale.
Hay bale?
There's a hay bale. It works. You don't have to.
Wait.
It didn't hurt.
Oh. Okay.
And look, Hayden. Look, Hayden. Trapdoor action. Wait. So if the thing comes, we do that. Oh yeah, that isn't even the coolest part. This is.
A radar?
Yes.
It's nearly time.
41.
I have cameras. So I'll be able to
Ooh.
see.
I have a map.
Alright, yeah, you keep that map in hand. It's about to get 11, and it's about to get dark, and it's about to get crazy.
Spooky. I don't know what this button does, by the way, but like, don't click it, please. Oh god. How the hell is? What the hell is that? Am I insane, Hayden?
What? Uh-oh.
Is that real? Is that a real
Uh-oh.
person? What? Oh no. Oh my god.
We just gotta wait a few more seconds until it hits 12.